Hello everyone, this is Awkward Gaming and I am here reviewing 14W with 10C, the newest snapshot. I'm going to also include the previous features from 10A and 10B, as you can see here. This snapshot comes with a lot of new features, and it also includes a lot of survival features, unlike the previous snapshots which only included map making features. So one of the main survival feature of this snapshot is that wolves now attack skeletons. As you can see here, this wolf will attack the skeleton. It does not matter if the wolf is tamed or not tamed. And the skeleton will run away. It doesn't try to fight the skeleton. It will occasionally shoot the skeleton with an arrow, but the skeleton is scared of the wolf. Yes. As you can see, the wolf attacks the skeleton even if it's on fire. It does not matter. One of the other main survival features of the snapshot is paintings and item frames now are more aligned, and you cannot double stack items in item frames. So in 1.7 you were able to stack a head and iron bars to make it look like the head was in jail. Can't do that anymore. And you can also rotate the item diagonally now. I do not know if that was in previous snapshots. I just realized that the snapshot, so it might be a new feature. One of the other features that were not a map maker feature was that you can now kill invincible mobs in creative. You used to be able to have to drop them into the void to kill them, and that was really the only way. To spawn an invincible mob, you need to type this command with the mob's name right here, and then invulnerable with the data 1 to make it invincible. Now I will go into creative mode and I will not be able to kill this mob. As you can see, if I go back into creative, I can now kill the mob, which is great. Now there were a lot of map making features in this snapshot, and the main one was the scoreboard objectives. There were 3 added, and the one that I like the best is time since death. It will track your time since you died last. Track all players' time since they died last. And this can do a lot of things. It can track any entity in the world since it's since you created it. And if I wanted to, I could track how long this painting has been here. I could track how long an arrow has been in the sky. You can track how long an item has floated. You can track a lot of things, and then you can do things with the time you've tracked. Like you can make this turn into a pumpkin after 40 seconds if you wanted to. So let's turn this off and show you how it works. This is the command to add it. Lifetime is just the name that I chose. You can name this anything. And then stat.timeSinceDeath is the actual command that was added, the snapshot. So let's turn that on. And then to set it to the sidebar, you would need to go scoreboard objective set display sidebar, and then the name that you made it. Just lifetime for me. And I'll set that. And then you can reset sidebar if you want, which is this command. You're setting it to nothing. You're setting the sidebar to nothing. And another main feature that was added is the new game rule. Sorry about the weather. The new game rule that was added is showing your death message. So if I turn gamerule show death message off, it will not show a death message. I'm very sorry about that. My entire game just froze and closed down. So as I was saying, the death message, it will not show a message when I die if I turn it off. So I will go into survival and it will show you how it works. If I just place a bunch of zombies to kill me. There was no message when I died, as you can see right there. Should probably turn myself back to creative. Now I will turn this on and I will die to show you that it works. Yes, this sets it to true. Now, as you can see, there was a death message. Last guy slain by a zombie, or just by a zombie. And yeah, so that is the only game rule that has been updated. The snapshot. There are more updates, more scoreboard objectives that I did not show, but I will show you what they are. There was a new scoreboard objective that is stat.crouchedOneCm. So it will track how many centimeters you have crouched. You can use that for various things. Stat.sprintedOneCm, so it will check how many centimeters you have sprinted in the game. It's also useful. Scoreboard players can now filter by NBT data. So Scoreboard can now filter players based on their NBT data. So based on what they have in their inventory, what if they're carrying anything, and other stats about them and what they have on them. And that is about it. One more thing, they also added the ability to change the model of rails, because in previous snapshots they made it able to change the model of blocks in a resource pack. Now you can change the models of rails and make them actually 3D, so there is no space between the rail and the ground, which actually looks very cool. I will upload a picture. There will be a picture on the screen of this. It looks pretty cool, and it's not that resource intensive, so yeah. I do not have a download link to a resource pack that has this. I will try to find one and make a video about that. So that is all. Thank you for watching, and subscribe.